Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 14th, 2025. Caution, the KSE 100 index is no doubt in an uptrend. It has had a very good day, 2200 points up, a clean breakout of an up channel, all technical indicators confirming a tactical uptrend. But caution, look at the volume, look at the momentum to decide your next move. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we are today, a 2202 point gain, a very clear breakout of the up channel. But if you remember from our last discussion, we said watch out for a break with high volume. This is not higher than usual volume. This is lower than previous volume. Also, take a look at this MACD. While it remains in bullish alignment, there is the contracting histogram, which signals that momentum is fading even as the price is breaking out to the upside. This is a mixed signal which requires monitoring. So, RSI is also at extreme overbought levels. So, even though the index is above all moving averages, has broken out of the up channel, is strongly in buying momentum. But there are just two things that are cause for concern. One, less than usual volume, and number two, the contracting histogram. This also makes sense because institutional money often waits for a pullback, a retest, a confirmation before going all in. That could explain the low volume and the fading momentum. So, as a verdict, while the breakout is confirmed, it is structurally clean and trend backed, no doubt about that. But momentum is fading and volume is still light. So, while tactical upside exists, reward to risk is shrinking rapidly as we've been monitoring over the last few days. So this is the ideal zone to tighten stops, not chase the market, and let the next candle confirm the trend. So keep an eye on the market tomorrow, see if it retests this upper boundary or not. Look at the volume, look at the momentum. Stay tuned. Thank you.